In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Google Calendar events from Google Form submissions. This process is a fantastic way to streamline your organization and ensure that all important events are automatically added to your calendar without any additional effort. We'll be utilizing a powerful tool called Zapier to accomplish this, making the process not only efficient, but also incredibly user-friendly. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to start by creating a Zap. For those unfamiliar, a Zap is an automated workflow that connects your apps and services. To begin, you'll need to set up a trigger. In our case, the trigger will be a new response in a Google Forms spreadsheet. This means that every time someone submits a response through your form, it will automatically initiate the workflow. Next up is setting the action, which in this scenario is all about creating a new detailed event in Google Calendar. The beauty of Zapier is that it simplifies connecting these actions. All you need to do is specify that when there's a new response entry in your spreadsheet, you want to create a detailed event in your Google Calendar. It's a seamless connection that ensures you never miss a beat when it comes to planning and organization. Once your trigger and action are set up, it's time for an important step in the process: mapping the form fields. This involves connecting the specific questions from your Google form to corresponding fields in your Google Calendar event. For instance, map the question that asks for the event's title to the calendar field that records the event name. Similarly, link the start and end time fields from your form to those in the calendar. Other fields like the event description are equally important to map. This careful alignment is crucial because it tells the system exactly how to build the event based on the form responses. With everything mapped out correctly, it's now time for the final step: turning on your Zap. By doing this, you ensure that every new form submission will automatically generate a corresponding event in your Google Calendar. This means no more manual data entry or risk of forgetting to add an important meeting or event to your schedule. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've set up an efficient automation process using Zapier to create Google Calendar events from Google Forms submissions. It's an excellent way to keep track of your schedule and manage multiple events with ease. Remember, automation is a powerful tool, especially when it comes to staying organized and on top of everything. Thanks for tuning in, and happy automating.